Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Hulu account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Hulu account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in hulu.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Hulu itself on the Google, and there is the Hulu Stream TV and movies live and online over here. Click over there and you'll be directed to the home page of Stream, and you can see both of these websites are same. One was from the Google and one we type directly the address. Now to log into your Hulu account from over here, on the top right corner of your screen you can see the login button available over here. Click on login and this pop-up will appear where you will have to enter your email and your password which you had registered on Hulu at the time of your creating your account, and click on login and you'll be signed into your Hulu account. Or if you have forgotten your email or your password, you can see forgot your email or password button available over here. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your email or password depending upon which one you lost. Or if you want to create an account on Hulu, simply click on start your free trial to go through a procedure to create an account on Hulu. And there guys, this is how you log into your Hulu account on your computer online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.